Okay, so minimum thickness of the lacing plat for single lacing plat is the 10.55 we got. So we have assume the 12 mm thick. So now number 7. Number 7. What we have to calculate? Slenderness ratio, correct? So calculate slenderness ratio for lacing plat. So lambda is equal to KL by R minimum. So here I have told you the KL is the inclined length of lacing plat. Divided by R minimum. So R minimum is the T by under root of 12, correct? And it should be 145, less than 145. So inclined length, how much inclined length? 420 divided by T, thickness is 12, 12 divided by under root of 12. So how much slenderness ratio?
49.73.
49 point.
Sorry, 121.82.
121.82.
82.
Okay, and it is less than 145. It means correct. Otherwise we have to increase the thickness. कारण का inclined length तर तुम्हाला चेंज करता येत नाही, तेवढी रिक्वायर्डच असते. Depends upon spacing. So we have to, if the this value is greater than this 145, then you have to increase the thickness. So instead of 12, you have to take 14 or 16 like this. Then this value will be reduced. जर ही 145 पेक्षा जास्त चालली व्हॅल्यू लॅम्बडाची, तर you have to increase the thickness, that 12 instead of 12, 14, 16 like this. Okay, so we got the lambda is 121. Now next step, number 8, correct? Number 8. Now what is next step? Calculate design compressive stress. Design compressive stress, that is nothing but FCD. so also for lacing plat we have to choose plat for buckling class is C. For buckling class C. Now go to table number 9C. So from table number 9C, table number 9C, for Fy is equal to 250 Newton per mm square. Lambda and FCD value we have to find out. So lambda 1, because 121 is there. So 120, and lambda 2 is 130, and lambda is 121.82. So for 120 and for 130, table number 9C, how much values?
83.7.
And here
74.3.
74.3. So
Yes.
this is FCD2, this is FCD1, and this is FCD. So we have to calculate value of FCD. So use this interpolation formula. So FCD is equal to FCD1 83.7 minus lambda 1 127.82 minus 120 divided by 130 minus 120 into 83.7 minus 74.3. So tell me the FCD.
$81.98.
81.98. Others, please do the calculations. Is this correct? 81.98. Others, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now next step. Step number 9. Calculate design compressive strength. Design compressive strength, that is PD. So PD is equal to FCD into AG. Now, but here FCD, sorry, AG. So which area we have to take? Area of lacing flat we have to take. Area of lacing flat, it means we have to take width into thickness. Here AG we have to take width into thickness. So width we have assumed how much or not assumed? केले का assume?
No, sir.
कुठे गेली ती स्टेप मिस झाली का आपली?
हा ती 7th स्टेप होती सर.
तुम्ही पण काय कोणी सांगितलं ठीक आहे. हिअर वी विल अज्युम. लक्षात घ्या मात्र अज्युम करायचं आपल्याला. So here we have to assume. So width of lacing flat we have to assume. So width of lacing flat. So we will assume W is equal to 50 mm. So here right, assume width of lacing flat W is equal to 50 mm. So AG is equal to W into T. So W is 50 into T is the 12. So 600 mm square, correct? 12.60.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes. Roll number 56 division A has raised one question to me. Sir, is this same question that we did yesterday or we are doing another? This is the same question we are continuing the last. Yesterday we have completed only 8 steps. and from, sorry, 7th step, from 8th step onward we have continued up to the here. Are you getting? We have continued last problem. This is the continue problem. This problem is very lengthy. Column problem is very lengthy. Built up section problem is very lengthy. It means simple column, whatever simple column we are designing up to the PD, that is same procedure. After the PD, spacing between channels and design of placing flat. That two steps are we have to continue for built up column. So design of placing flat. Are you getting? We have continued this problem today. Yesterday's problem we have continued. Okay, so now calculate PD here. So PD is equal to FCD 81.98
98.
into 600. How much?
49,188.
So 188. It means 49.18 kilonewton, correct? And it should be greater than VT by 2, correct? So VT is 13.75 kilonewton. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Shear resisted by each end means VT by 2. Okay. And now last step. Number 10. Design of connection. So they have given design of bolted connections. In problem statement they told us bolted connection we have to use. Okay, for bolted connection, same procedure as we are solving, that procedure we have to follow. For that we have to assume first. What we have to assume? Assume Fe410 steel. Then we have to assume grade of steel. Sorry, grade of bolt. So we will assume grade of bolt 4.6. And again we have to assume diameter of bolt. Because this data is not given, so we have to assume. So diameter of bolt. So diameter of bolt we will assume again 20 mm. Okay. So now we have to calculate number of bolts. So number of bolts is equal to here now number of bolts we have to calculate. It means force, which force is coming here. आपण लेसिंग फ्लॅटचं डिझाइन करतोय म्हणजे कुठल्या फोर्स साठी डिझाइन करणार.
कॉम्प्रेशन.
नाही पण लोड कुठला घेणार इथं. फॅक्टर्ड लोड आपण घेतो इथं, पण कोणता लोड घेणार आता इथं. So we have to calculate the number of bolts for each end. So we have to take here load is shear resisted by each end. Shear resisted by each end or system. Number of bolts काढायचे आहेत. कुठले bolts काढायचे आहेत? Number of bolts लेसिंग फ्लॅटला आपल्याला एंडला जोडण्यासाठी नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स काढायचे. डिवाइडेड बाय हियर डिझाइन स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ बोल्ट. So here formula for bolt is shear resisted by each end divided by design strength of bolt. So shear resisted by each bolt, it means, see, where is figure? See, this is the flat. So we have to provide the bolt at two ends. We have to provide bolt at two ends, means this end also and this end. So here shear resisted by each end आपण VT by 2 calculate केलाय. So VT by 2 value we have to take. कारण का याच्यामध्ये transverse load, transverse shear resisted by this total flat we have calculated 2.5% of factored load. So the total 2.5% transverse shear resisted, but each end resisted by VT by 2. यातले दोन्ही एंड काय करणार आहे, जेवढा ट्रान्सफर शियर इथे येणार आहे त्याचा अर्धा लोड या एंडवर जाणार आहे, अर्धा लोड या एंडवर जाणार आहे. सो म्हणजे इट मीन्स VT by 2. VT by 2 is the load coming on this joint. या joint वरती VT by 2, या joint वरती VT by 2. So that we have, so that here shear resisted by each end, it means VT by 2. Are you getting? So now for that we have to calculate first the design shearing and bearing strength. So calculate now design shear strength of bolt. That is VDSB. N into ANB into FUB divided by under root of 3 gamma M1, correct? So now here shear planes, how many shear planes are there? Anyone can tell me how many shear planes? Because for only one side we are providing here, because we are designing one lacing flat here. So only one shear plane is there, because this is channel and this is flat. Channel and flat च्या मध्ये एकच फेस आहे. Are you getting? This is flat and this is channel. So between this flat and channel only one face is there. Are you getting? So here N is the 1. Into A and B, pi by 4 into D square. D is the 20 square into FUB. What is FUB?
400.
Yield strength of the bolt. So that is 400, because for 4.6 grade bolt 400 is there. Then under root of 3 into gamma M1.
1.25.
So fast do the first calculations. Actually our time is over.
Area is 0.78. Area is 0.78. Area is 0.78 into pi by 4.
Okay, correct. Here area is 0.78. 0.70 is remaining, correct. Here 0.70 is remaining. So 1 into 0.78, correct. So how much is this? $45.27, correct?
27.
So calculate. Then bearing strength. Design bearing strength of bolt. So actually now we have assumed 20 mm diameter. It means KB value will be 0.5. So we will directly VDPB 2.5 into KB into D into T into FU divided by gamma M1. Okay, so now 2.5 into, we will take KB 0.5, 0.5 into D, 20 mm diameter, thickness, now thickness of lacing plat. किती घेतली thickness of lacing plat?
12 mm.
12 mm into, कारण का आपण लेसिंग फ्लॅट साठी कनेक्शन करायला लागलो म्हणून थिकनेस ऑफ लेसिंग फ्लॅट 12 mm FU 410, correct? Gamma M1 is 1.25. Now tell me this value.
98.4 kilonewton.
98.4 kilonewton. So what is design strength of bolt here now? So design strength of bolt. Design strength of bolt is equal to काय असते? It is the minimum of VDSB and VDPB. दोघांची minimum. So whichever is minimum is there. VDSB 45.27, correct? Design strength of bolt या दोन्हीची minimum असते. Okay, now number of bolt. Number of bolts is equal to VT by 2 divided by this VDSB. So VT by 2 is 30.75 divided by VDSB 45.27. How much this value?
0.304.
304. It means we have to provide 1 bolt, correct? At least 1 bolt we have to provide. 0.304 येथे म्हणजे 1 बोल्ट आपण 20 mm चा प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो. So otherwise we can reduce the diameter of bolt. 20 mm चा 1 बोल्ट प्रोव्हाइड करण्यापेक्षा आपण मग काय करायला पाहिजे, 14 mm चा बोल्ट या ठिकाणी वापरला तरी चालेल. म्हणजे डायमीटर रिड्यूस झाला की आपला नंबर वाढेल इथे जाईल. Are you getting? So this is the design of lacing system. So in this way we can design built-up column. Built-up column means 2 channels or 2 I section we can combine and we can use lacing system or batten system. So in this way we can design a built-up column by using lacing system. Lacing system use करून या पद्धतीने आपण built-up column design करू शकतो. Are you getting? सोपा आहे का? सोपा आहे पण लेंदी आहे जास्त. तुमच्या प्रोसिजर लक्षात राहिली पाहिजे. आता या 9 स्टेप मध्येच 10 स्टेप आहेत, 11 स्टेप आहेत. स्टेप नंबर इन दी स्टेप नंबर 9 for the design of lacing plat we have solved 11 steps and earlier 7-8 steps. So it means total 19 to 20 steps are there in the design of column. So this you have to remember because this procedure is not given in properly in IS code. So we have to remember the procedure and then you can, the formulas are given for each and every steps, that VT by 2, VT, that formulas are given, but procedure we have to keep in mind. So for that you have to prepare the summary sheet, design of built up column. So what summary sheet is there? What step number 1 we have to do? What in summary, step number 2, step number 3, what we have to do, that you have to write and prepare the one summary document with you for every chapter. Design of welded connections, design of bolted connections, that you have to do. Okay, so we'll stop here and tomorrow we'll see the next example, or we will see the next system, baton system. So wait, I will take attendance first. Okay, so we stop here.